Assalamualaikum grade 6, how are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your schoolmates and teachers, but no problem class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online classes and videos. Now let's come to the main agenda. As you people know that we have proceeded towards our second term, fine. The day, I'm going to conduct your English text class. The date today is 26 January 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Okay class, I want to share some of the pictures with you guys. You can see this house, how sort of house this is. Yes, this is a very nice and beautiful house, and it is surrounded by greenery, the grass is over there. So I guess everybody wants to live in a house where there's a garden, and it should be spacious enough and it should be airy. Fine, if you people have any chance to move to any house, you would definitely want to go to any good house where you can live there and you can enjoy. Okay, but when you see this house, what comes to your mind? This is the ninth time here, ठीक है ना? And the house is too tall. It seems as if it is going to touch the sky. ठीक है ना? The trees are, they don't have leaves. The trees are bare. ठीक है ना? Bare means empty of leaves. ठीक है? And the sight is too much scary. It seems that this is a sort of ghostly house. Okay class, why did I share you a number of pictures with you? Because today we are going to proceed towards a chapter. This is included in second term or final term. The name of the chapter is the toy box. Bring your course book fast from your bags. Okay, course book 6 and open up page number 51. Today we are going to do the reading of this chapter, and I'll explain some of the chapters to you because this is quite lengthy chapter. So we'll finish half of the chapter, reading of half of the chapter. In this house actually you can see a family is here. Father and mother are there, and then two siblings are there. ठीक है ना? One brother and one sister. The name of the sister is Matilda, and name of the boy will come to know while we are going to read this chapter. They have actually moved to a new house, and the house is very much very tall in size. It is very large, and it is surrounded by a garden, and it seems to be very beautiful. Fine, the rooms are spacious enough, airy. They are airy. Spacious means जहाँ पे बहुत जगह होती है, खुले खुले कमरे हैं, ठीक है ना? They are not congested, but there is some sort of supernatural element is going to be there. What is a supernatural element? In which you will find some sort of ghosty elements, ठीक है ना? कुछ यानी कोई ghost वगैरह की आवाज़ होती है, some sort of these sorts of things you will find. But we are not sure whether this is an imagination of the boy, the young boy you can see in the boy in the blue shirt, or that is true. ठीक है ना? While we are going to read this chapter, we'll come to know whether that was an imagination or ये सही में था. ठीक है ना? Now let's start to read. Don't look, said father as he eased the car into a lower gear. Father क्या कह रहे हैं? नहीं देखो इधर उधर. ठीक है ना? पहले ही लोग गाड़ी में बैठे हुए थे, अब वो कह रहे हैं ease the car means moved carefully the car. He moved the car carefully. लोअर गियर में यानी कार को रोकने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं फादर. ही एंड मदर वर सिटिंग इन द फ्रंट. ठीक है ना? मामा एंड बाबा दे वर सिटिंग इन द फ्रंट, एज इफ योर मामा एंड बाबा वुड डेफिनेटली सिट इन फ्रंट, एंड यू पीपल यू सिट एट द बैक ऑफ द सीट. ठीक है ना? मैटिल्डा एंड आई इन द बैक. वो लोग कहाँ बैठे हुए थे? मैटिल्डा कौन है? ये गर्ल है, ठीक है, एंड बॉय इज सिटिंग, दे वर सिटिंग एट द बैक. The tires made a pleasing crunch as they passed over the gravel. GRAVEL, that is gravel. ठीक है ना? क्रंच कहते हैं ग्राइंडिंग साउंड, जैसे कि मशीन में कुछ ग्राइंड कर रहे होते हैं ना, उसका साउंड होता है. सो दैट इज़ ग्राइंडिंग साउंड. ठीक है? एंड ग्रेवल कहते हैं जो बजरी होती है, जो स्मॉल स्टोन्स, दे आर कॉल्ड ग्रेवल. सो व्हेन दे वर मूविंग द कार, देयर वाज अ साउंड ऑफ द ग्रेवल, लाइक जैसे कुछ चलते हैं पत्थर, उसकी आवाज़ आती है ना, दैट इज ग्रेवल. ठीक है? फादर ड्रोव स्टेडीली मीन्स वेरी स्लोली. गाड़ी को बहुत आहिस्ता आहिस्ता चला रहे थे. ट्राइंग नॉट टू स्कैटर द स्टोन्स ओवर द वेल मैनिक्योर्ड लॉन ऑन ईदर साइड ऑफ द नैरो ड्राइव. ठीक है ना? ये कोशिश कर रहे थे कि स्कैटर मीन्स फैलना. ठीक है? कि वो जो पत्थर हैं वो फैले नहीं इधर उधर. जब गाड़ी तेज जब पीछे करते हैं तो इससे बहुत सारे बजरी पड़ी होती है, वो क्या होती है? उड़ती है ना. सो ही डिडंट वांट दैट द ग्रेवल शुड मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, बिकॉज द lawn of that house was well manicured. Well manicured means very much clean and tidy, बहुत साफ सुथरा था. ठीक है? I want you both to shut your eyes and only open them when I tell you, said father, because I guess the father wants to give surprise to the family, especially the kids. So he asked them to close their eyes, to shut their eyes, so that when they open their eyes, so they'll have a very beautiful sight of the new house in which they are going to move. Although we were excited at the prospect of seeing our new house, we did as we were instructed. ठीक है ना, prospect means possibility of future event, ठीक है ना, क्योंकि अभी वो लोग इस हाउस में रह नहीं रहे थे तो उनकी possibility थी इस बात की कि they are going to move to that house. तो वो इस हाउस में like they were very much excited about that, you know, future house. But they did as their father instructed them or ordered them. Mother had told us the week before that suitable accommodation had been found and that we would be moving in today. ठीक है ना, now this family is going to move or shift to this house today. So and you know what is meant by suitable accommodation? Accommodation means a building where someone lives. Suitable accommodation कहते हैं अच्छी कोई रिहाइश को, यानी जहाँ पे कोई अच्छी जगह पे इंसान रह सके, मुनासिब रहने की जगह. Now father had said little. अब father ने थोड़ा सा कुछ कहा है. You'll see when we get there, he said in answer to our questions. ठीक है ना, वो कह रहे हैं because you know the children were very much excited to see the house. So father says that जब तुम लोग वहाँ पे पहुँचोगे तुम लोग खुद ही देख लोगे कि घर कैसा है. ठीक है. The packers had been busy during the previous week. Who are packers? The packers are the people who pack something. ठीक है ना, जो गिफ्ट वगैरह को पैक करते हैं, वो लोग बिजी थे उस वीक में. ठीक है. It had been fun living with boxes everywhere. अब जब ये लोग मतलब वहाँ पर जब पैकर्स क्यों थे in the previous house? Because you know definitely they are going to move to another house, so the you know belongings of the house were to be packed. तो उन लोगों ने पैकर्स को बुलाया हुआ था ताकि वो सामान पैक कर सकें उनका. And it was a very fun to you know to do the packing of the belongings of the house. Then suddenly our magical playground had been whisked away and we were left with a few suitcases. ठीक है. फिर क्या होता है, अचानक से मैजिकल प्लेग्राउंड का जो प्लेग्राउंड था बहुत अच्छा, हैड बीन विस्क्ड अवे, यानी टेक अवे क्विकली, एंड वी वर लेफ्ट विद अ फ्यू सूट केसेज. अब मतलब उनका सब अब सारा सामान उनका जो है ना शिफ्ट हो गया. ऑलमोस्ट द सूट केसेज आर गोइंग टू बी left to shift into the new house. The large gates we had passed through a little earlier were impressive and the gardens magnificent. अब जब वो इस हाउस में आए ना, उसका बहुत बड़ा सा गेट है. ठीक है ना. वी हैड पास थ्रू अ लिटिल अर्लियर वर इम्प्रेसिव. अभी जहाँ पर वो एंटर हुए थे दैट इज़ वेरी इम्प्रेसिव, दैट इज़ वेरी यू नो दे वर इम्प्रेस्ड बाय द साइट ऑफ द house when they entered the house, and the gardens magnificent. अब वो जो this is magnificent नहीं है, magnificent कहते हैं. Magnificent means very much attractive, extremely beautiful. The garden in which they have entered, you can see the picture at the back also. ठीक है ना, जहाँ पे वो लोग एंटर हुए वो गार्डन जो है बहुत मैग्निफिसेंट है, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है. स्प्रिंग ब्लॉसम्स वर एवरीवेयर, यानी हर जगह फ्लावर्स ही फ्लावर्स हैं. बर्ड्स ट्विटर्ड इन द ट्रीज एंड बीज बर्स्ट अबाउट द फ्लावर्स. दिस इज द होल डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द प्लेस ओवर हियर. ठीक है ना. चिड़ियाँ क्या कर रही हैं? ट्विटर्ड मीन्स मेक रिपीटेड साउंड, जो चू 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 कर रही होती है ना, चिर्पिंग, दैट इज व्हाट वी से ट्विटर्ड. नाउ दे आर ट्विटरिंग, दे आर चिर्पिंग इनटू द ट्रीज एंड बीज बर्स्ट, यानी बीज कहते हैं शहद की मक्खियों को. दे आर busy about the flowers, they are busy in sucking the honey from the juice from the flowers. ठीक है. But now as we listen to the crunching gravel with our eyes shut, the suspense became intolerable. अभी तक उनकी आंखें बंद है बच्चों की, because the father had instructed. ठीक है ना. And now when they actually उन्होंने सब अभी देखा नहीं है, they were just they had just closed their eyes and they were just listening to the voices, the chirping of the birds and the you know the voices of the honeybee. So this made the you know increase the surprise of the children and they were having suspense. ठीक है. और वो क्रंचिंग ग्रेवल यानी वो जो स्टोन्स की जो आवाज़ आती है गाड़ी जो चल रही थी, तो उसकी सबकी आवाज़ों से बहुत ज़्यादा वो क्या हो गया, उनके अंदर सस्पेंस डेवलप हो गया. दैट विच सॉर्ट ऑफ प्लेस इज दिस. नाउ यू कैन ओपन योर आइज, अनाउंस फादर एट लास्ट एज द कार ग्राउंड टू अ हेल्थ. ठीक है ना. वो अब जब वो वहाँ पर पहुँचे हैं, गाड़ी वहाँ पर पहुँची है, ग्राउंड की तरफ पहुँची है, सो the father announced to open the eyes. Wow, beautiful, said Matilda as we looked at the house for the first time. ठीक है ना. Matilda जब पहुँचती है वो क्या बोलती है? Very beautiful. She was very much you know she felt that the house is so much beautiful. Now come to the boy. Wow, scary, said I. Scary means anything that can make you fearful. अब जो लड़का पहुँचता है वो कहता है ये तो बहुत ही खौफजदा सा scary सा atmosphere है. I don't know why. We'll come to know why he felt the house is so much scary, because you know sometimes what happen when there are large rooms and very large spaces there, some people feel scary. Even me too. I don't like very large grounds. मैं भी मुझे भी डर लग जाता है कभी-कभी, ऐसा होता है. And maybe some of the people have the same feeling. The rambling mansion that stood before us seemed to tower into the sky. It was immense, it was old, and to me it seemed spooky. ठीक है ना. The rambling mansion कहते हैं, यानी rambling means to walk aimlessly towards any place. Mansion कहते हैं large house that stood before us seemed to tower into the sky. Actually the house is now explained, and it is said that the house building was too much tall, and it seems that it is going to touch the sky. And it was immense. Immense means very large. It was old, and to me it seemed spooky. Spooky means very ghostly, जहाँ पे मतलब उसको लड़के को ये लग रहा था कि हाउस जो है ना बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पोकी है. ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा वहाँ पर कुछ सुपर नेचुरल एलिमेंट्स हैं. Fine. Okay, class, I'm going to read till here, inshallah, because this chapter is quite longer. Inshallah, next coming class we'll go for the reading of the coming lines and coming pages. Till then, I would suggest you to read the whole chapter and try to get the material from this chapter. What is going to happen? Why the boy feels scary? ठीक है ना? Okay, I guess class 6 you must have enjoyed reading this chapter. You try to read this chapter, the rest of the chapter, inshallah, but in the next coming class I'll explain the rest of the part to you. Fine. And try to mark the difficult words and find out the meanings of the difficult words, but mark them in the book and write the meanings on the book. Don't write them right now in the notebooks of yours. Fine. Till then, you people take a very good care of your health. Allah Hafiz from my side.